Welcome to this guided Vipassana meditation. First of all, find a comfortable seat. Now, sit comfortably. Keep your back straight but not stiff. Now, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Another deep breath in and out. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm. No forcing, no controlling, just normal breathing. Okay? Now feel your body. Whatever you feel, just observe. Keep breathing, keep observing, and keep calming down. Keep calming down. Whenever your mind wanders, and it will, don't frustrate it. Don't criticize yourself. Just accept that I have thoughts and come back to the breathing. Notice how everything arises and passes away. The breath arises and passes. A sensation arises and passes. A thought arises and passes. A feeling arises and passes. Nothing stays forever. Nothing remains the same. And this is the heart of Vipassana, seeing impermanence directly. Now feel this peace. We will meet again after a few minutes. Now bring back your awareness to the breath, to the body. Feel your hands again, wiggle your fingers, and when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. May you be well, be happy, and be peaceful. Namo Buddhaya.